Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you computers. In the previous part of the video, we discussed about the chapter Introduction to Computers, and today we are going to discuss and do bookwork of this chapter. Before doing bookwork, let's summarize the chapter. What we learned in this chapter? We learned about natural things, human made things and machines. Now what are natural things? Natural things are things which are made naturally, which are produced naturally. For example, birds, animals, fruits, these are the things which are produced naturally. These are not machines. Now next is human made things. Human made thing means things which are made by human, means things which are made by man. For example, chair, blackboard, chair, blackboard, pen, table, chalkboard, these all are human made things, but these are not machines. Why they are not machines? Because they don't work. Now some human made machines, some human made things like car, bicycle, refrigerator, air conditioner, these are machines because they work. Some work when we use them, like bicycle. When we pedal our bicycle, then it works. Some work on fuel, some work on electricity. Like all these machines, computer is also a machine which works and which makes our work easier. Okay. Now let's start our bookwork. We have to do bookwork in a very beautiful handwriting. Okay. You have to take out page number 8. Now let's see question number 1. A. Think and tell what makes our work easy. What makes our work easy, children? Answer is machines. Now let's see how to write machines. The spelling of machines is M will be capital. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S. Machines. You have to write this word in a very beautiful handwriting, kids. Now let's see question number 2. What is question number 2? Who made machines? Now who made machines? Machines are human made. So who made machines? Human. So let's write the spelling of human. H will be again capital. H-U-M-A-N. Human. Who made machine? Human. Now let's switch to next question. Question number B. Name a human made thing which is not a machine. Now there are so many human made things which don't work, which are not machine. Now we have to name any one. So answer is chair. Now we will write spelling of chair. Number 1, C will be capital. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Next, number 2. Name a machine that runs on fuel. Now which machine is man-made and it runs on fuel, children? It is car. So we will write car over here. C-A-R, car. I hope you all are writing it in a very beautiful handwriting with me. Chaliye. Now let's see question number C. Tick the correct option. We have to tick the correct option in this. Which of the following is a machine? Now 3 options are given over here. We have to see which is a machine. Flower. Is flower a machine? No. So this is wrong. B is car. Is car a machine? Yes. A boy playing with a ball. Is a boy playing with a ball machine? No. So the correct answer is B, car. We will tick on option number B. Now let's move further. Number 2. Which of the following makes our work easy? Now let's see which of the following makes our work easy. Tree. Tree makes our work easy? No, tree is a natural thing. Dog. Dog makes our work easy? No, because dog is also a natural thing. Now computer. Computer is a machine made by human, and with the help of computer what we do? We can do our work quickly, so it makes our work easy. So option number C, we will put tick because it is the correct answer. Now question number D. Identify the pictures of the machines and encircle them in the word box. One is done for you and we have to identify the pictures. Children, you can see 4 pictures over here. What we have to do? We have to mark them, we have to encircle them. Now you can see this picture. This is a picture of car. Let's see where is car? It's here. So we will mark car, C-A-R, car. Next picture is, this is a picture of fan. So let's find out where is fan. Where is the spelling of fan? It's here, F-A-N, fan. So we will encircle fan over here. Next picture is, this is a ship. So we will mark encircle ship over here, S-H-I-P, ship, and truck was done for you. Now let's switch to page number 9, question number E. Now let's see what question number E says. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. We have to write T if the statement is true and we have to write F if the statement is false. First, machines waste our time. With the help of machine, is our time wasted? No. But we can do work very quickly. So, question number E. First is false. We will write F over there. Second, machines work very fast. Yes, machines work very fast. It saves our time. So, this statement is true. We will write T over here. Now, let's see point number 3. Machines are not made by humans. Machines are not made by humans. Are machine natural things? No, machines are made by human. They are human made things. So, this statement is wrong. What we will write over here? We will write F. F means false. Now, let's see next. Machine makes our work very easy. Yes, I told you, with the help of machine, we can do our work quickly and it makes our work easily. So, this statement is true. We will write T over here. Now, let's switch to section B. Very short answer questions. Now, name any 2 machines you see every day. We have to name, we have to write any 2 machines which we see every day. First is refrigerator, second is scissors. Now, let's write the spelling of refrigerator and scissors. First, R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R, refrigerator. Second is scissors, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Number 2, name any 2 machines that work with the help of humans. We have to tell 2 machines which work with the help of humans. Bicycle and car. Let's learn. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. When we pedal it, then only it will move, na? And other is car. When we will drive, then only it will move, then only it will work, otherwise it will be there only still. Next, third, name any 2 machines that run on electricity. We have to name 2 machines that runs on electricity. First is computer and second is air conditioner. Now let's move to next question. What is a computer? Computer is a machine which makes our work easy. What is computer? Computer is a machine which makes our work easy. So you have to write this statement in a very beautiful handwriting, children. Thank you.